Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your ESN card for a Ryanair discount. First, you need to get an ESN card from an official ESN section, typically found at universities across Europe. Once you have your card, register it on the esncard.org website. It is crucial to fill in all your profile information accurately, as this data will be used to validate your eligibility for the discount. Next, head over to the Ryanair website. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Otherwise, simply log in. Once logged in, find the Erasmus tab in your My Ryanair dashboard. Here, you will enter your ESN card number and other necessary personal details. Make sure these details exactly match the information on your esncard.org profile to avoid any validation issues. After submitting your details, there will be a validation period, which can take up to 2 days. Once validated, use the special booking widget located in the Erasmus section of your My Ryanair dashboard. Remember, you must book international flights at least 28 days before your travel date. This discount applies to travel between September 1st and June 15th, excluding summer months. With your validated ESN card, you will receive a 10% discount on up to 4 single international flights or 2 return flights. Plus, you get a free 20-kilogram checked-in bag for each of these flights, which is a fantastic saving. Remember, this offer is not available on the Ryanair mobile app. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. Happy travels!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.